So if you want to remove your user password, you can get tools like this. I've done this a few times. It's on AOME partition. I'm not sure if it's on the free version. I've got the paid version. So reset a Windows password. You have to create a bootable disk. So I'm going to put a USB in. I'm going to go back first because it's not found it. It's a new one anyway, so I ain't got to worry about that. So it's just creating it. It'll be a bootable. You just boot the device that you want to open. Anyway, I'll show you. Anyway, I'll come back when it's done. Okay then, so it's done. As you can see, it's got all the boot files on there. Oh, it says it's still going, but I'll let it keep going for now. But anyway, most of the boot files are done on it. It just opened up the window. So I won't come back onto this. I'll just go straight onto the device I need to open. It's taking a bit of a time to make it, but finished. Okay, let's go and try it. Okay, so let's try it. I've got a bootable USB. Stick it in. Now I've got my boot priority set to always boot from USB first. So if you ain't done that, you need to go into your BIOS and change your boot selection. There's loads of videos on that on YouTube, even I've done some. But it hasn't worked, so I'll start again. So it's now booting. This is all booting from that USB. Okay, so it's found it. Found Windows 10 on the C drive. And it's giving you 2 passwords. So it's disabled already. So you can just remove account password. Select the one you want, remove account password, or reset it. So that's it, it's a brilliant tool. You could probably earn money with that as well. A bit more complicated than Apple, but there you go. I'm not going to do anything because I don't want to mess up my computer.